So in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Chromebook for the first time. So here's the screen you will see after turning it on, and now let's press on get started. From here we'll need to choose the Wi-Fi network and connect to one, as this is quite essential in this device. So let's pick this Wi-Fi network, enter the password. Accept and continue. Here you can pick whether you'll be using this device or your child, and in this case I'm gonna pick me. Here you can sign in to your Google account, so simply put your email address here, and wait, there's you can also click on more options in order to create an account or enterprise enrollment. So let me actually log in for that. So after you've logged in, you'll see sync your Chromebook, and you can do it of course if you want. So here accept review sync options for following setup, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna skip that. Here's a Google Play apps and services. You should read that before accepting it and clicking on continue. So let me actually right now skip that. Now it will load your Google Assistant, and you can set it up by pressing on I agree, but for me I'm gonna skip that as well. So no thanks, no thanks. You're ready, get started. And here's our Chromebook. It should be fully functional and everything should be fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.